Get ready for an amazing adventure. Welcome to Taj Kids Zone. Let's learn, laugh, and play together. Here at Taj Kids Zone, every day is a new discovery. Learn, laugh, and play with Taj Kids Zone.
A for angel. Angel flies high. B for balloon. Balloons go up, up, up.
C for cat. Meow.
D for dragon. The dragon dances. E for elephant. Splash, splash. F for flower. Flowers bloom bright. G for guitar. Let's strum together. H for house. A happy home. I for ice cream. Sweet and cold. J for jewel. So shiny and bright. K for kite. Fly high in the sky.
L for lion. The lion says, roar.
M for moon. Shining at night.
N for nest. Safe and warm.
O for octopus. Swimming round and round. P for parrot. The parrot talks.
Q for queen. Shiny crown for you.
R for rainbow. So many colors. S for star. Twinkle and shine. T for train. Choo-choo, here we go.
U for umbrella. Up in the rain.
V for violin. Let's make music.
W for whale. Big splash.
X for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. Y for yacht. Sailing away. Z for zebra. Run, run, run. Great job! You learned all your ABCs. See you next time.